I'm a tax partner, so I've been involved with a lot of the automation products. I was from a small firm and merged in, and I had started using Scan and Auto Flow before that, so it was kind of exciting to try to bring that out to a broader group and more applicability. So it's always more fun to try to find those efficiencies. You can't do more with less without taking advantage of the technology. So as it becomes more and more difficult to recruit and retain great people, the technology advances have helped kind of fill that gap. I think they like to spend their time on things that they know is more important and makes a difference. So the technology allows them to kind of jump ahead in the process, and hopefully they learn more about being reviewers and consultants instead of compliance people. We have to deliver the compliance product. It's a necessary evil, but we can focus spending more time on the other factors where we can enhance the value. They have tools and opportunities to work in a way with technology at home in their personal lives that they don't always have in their workplace. So to kind of bring those two things together is a big advantage. I think using like Scan and Auto Flow and some of the electronic workflow, we've saved an enormous amount of time. We continue to do more with less. I would estimate easily a half an hour per 1040. Sometimes it's much more than that. And I think one of the objections that we've had from our own folks to implement is that some things are too complicated for that process. And my response is always nothing is too complicated for it. It does what it does, and it helps with all the basic things that we have on almost every tax return. So it's still a great advantage in almost every occasion. It's organized. The competent, source that it's coming from, and I think the consistency. Everybody would get the same answer, posing the same question instead of old, dated material, which is just far too easy to come across on the internet. You kind of look for the easy answer, but then it's just so convenient that you can link right into the more detailed answers and provide authoritative guidance when you need to. Sometimes you just want to document simple answers, and other times you have to take it much further. So you can track that, you can retain that record, right in the software. So it's really easy to go back and retrace your steps, or use that for another situation that might be applicable. I think one of the biggest advantages is we all face limited time and limited resources. And if you don't take the opportunity to learn as much as you can about the tools you use, you're just not gaining all the efficiencies from it. And I think, so from an investment standpoint, if you don't do those things, you're really leaving a lot on the table. And that's what we're all trying to do, is maximize our bottom lines. And it's another way to do that.